Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. Thank you so much for joining me here today on a new video. And today's video is a nail tutorial. And these are the Glamnetic reusable press-on nails in Creme De Nude. They're so beautiful, you guys, and the application in the back literally tells you how to apply them, and in the bottom it says how to remove them. Yes, that totally comes in handy. And as you can see, this style is so beautiful. These are long coffin ombre look to them. They're so pretty. And here in the packaging you will receive an alcohol pad. You will receive the 30 nails that comes with 15 inclusive sizes, and then you'll get this little double-sided nail file so you can buff your nails away, or even if you want to shorten the nails, this would totally help it out. And as well, it comes with the cuticle stick to push back the cuticles, and it comes with the nail glue. And here I will show you how to apply them. So right now at the moment, as you can see, I'm using the alcohol pad to clean off my nails, to remove any oils or anything that will prevent the nails from sticking on correctly. And here I'm using the cuticle nails stick to push back the cuticles, just so the nails can fit on perfectly and snug on the nail, so nothing will disturb it as well from them sticking on nice and snug. These nails measure 19.6 millimeter to 25.4 millimeters, and these are the coffin shape with a UV finish. Yes, that will let you have that beautiful opaque color with the glossy finish. They're so beautiful, you guys, and these are vegan and cruelty free, and the packaging is recyclable. Yes, please. And now here I will show you that I'm just picking out the sizes for my nails. The awesome thing about these nails is that it has a number on them, so whenever you find the nail that fits your finger, you can find the other number, so it could be for the other hand. Yes, so here I'm just simply finding the number, and honestly, for my thumb I ended up finding number 2, for my index finger was number 7, and for my middle finger was 6, for my ring finger was number 8, and for my pinky was 11. So yeah, I'm just finding them, and the ones that I'm not going to use, I'm just going to put them back in the packaging for maybe later, for next time, or for my daughters. They love to wear little nails here and there. I will definitely cut them more shorter for them, but they love to look all glam and cute with me, so yeah, maybe for later. So here, like I said, I'm just finding the nail, and then I'm just gonna find the other nail to match the other hand. And these nails retail for $21.99, and if you use my discount code, yes, they gave me a discount code for you guys, 15% off. So if you use my 15% off, there will be 18 with 69 cents. Yes, so the coupon code is 15 makeup for life. Yes, it's that simple, you guys. Go get you some. Okay, if you were to go to a nail salon like my previous sets, I paid $40, and here you're gonna get these beautiful nails that look salon done, okay, for the fraction of the price, and you get leftovers. Like I said, I'm gonna probably give some to my daughters for them to slap them on and we out the door, and they've been lasting for days. Honestly, I'm doing this voiceover and it's the third day in. This is the third day in. They're still looking beautiful. They haven't chipped, they haven't bended, they haven't warped. They're still the same beautiful shape that I put them on. And if you follow me on Instagram, I will keep you updated. I've been keeping you updating, showing you little pictures here and there. So if you guys go to my Instagram and follow me, you guys will see. And when they fall off, I will let you guys know. So third day in, they're still on, and they do say that they will last up to 2 weeks. So I'm excited for that. If they do last up to 2 weeks, because by the second week of using these nails, you have to go in and get a fill because they start growing out, obviously. If they can last that long, I am done going to the nail salon, you guys. I am done. Okay, the last time I went, they put on this little chemical before they put on the acrylic powder, and it really like burned. It was so weird. It was my first set that I got after the pandemic, and I was just so stunned of the the chemical that they put on my nail that kind of burned. It was just so weird, but this nail glue doesn't do that. It just, as you can see, I just put it on my nail. I let it put it all over my nail, and to reassure that hold, I put it on the new nail as well. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. So it could really stick on, and they did. It totally sticked on. You hold it down for 10 seconds and they will not budge. Okay, so make sure you put the nail all the way back close to the cuticle, and they will stay on and they will look nice and fresh. So yeah, you guys, that is that simple how to apply these on. And while I'm doing that, I definitely want to thank my subscribers. You guys already know. I love you guys so much. Every single one of you. I really want this channel to grow, so I am so grateful to every single one of you. Thank you guys so much. I am truly honored to have you guys. Our little family is growing. Yay! And if you're just passing through to check out this tutorial, I hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe and join the family. I usually do planner and makeup related stuff. Yes, I think of this like a makeup, you know, probably, hopefully, a stylish thing going on. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video and subscribe as well. So yes, you guys, thank you guys so much. So now for the rest of the fingers, I'm just simply doing the exact same thing, adding the glue to my nail and adding some glue to the nail itself to reinforce that hold. Oops, I've dropped that one. But obviously I'm a right-handed, so the left hand was perfectly fine because I use my right hand, but now I'm using my left hand. So yeah, it was actually quite easy to apply them. I thought I was gonna struggle because I was using my left hand, but no, just like little struggles here and there. But honestly, there was no struggle. As you can see, I'm just holding everything well with my right hand and just placing it on with my left hand. And yeah, it was that simple, you guys. As simple as you guys see, that's how simple as how easy you can apply these nails. I will make sure as well to put the link in the description box below to take you guys to the Glamnetic website so you guys can go get you some sets. And they have so many others to choose from, different styles, different shapes, different length. So go check them out and go see which one suits you guys. They're so beautiful and stunning. And here we go, the last little nail. How simple was that? They're so easy to apply, you guys, and look at how stunning they look. They look salon did. Yes, I just came from a salon, girl. Nope, just kidding. I did them on my own. Look how pretty they look. Oh my goodness, I am so shocked. And you guys, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little nail tutorial, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Bye.